Hello, this is RICKY, the Android guy. Hey guys, today bringing another great accessory, and this is the Logitech Keys to Go keyboard. This is a new keyboard that came out, and it's really kind of interesting. It reminds me a lot of a merger between the Type and Touch keyboard for the Surface. So this works for Android and Windows, compatible with both of them. And this is it. So this is designed to be very portable on the go keyboard. As you can see, very thin. And the idea about this keyboard is you can fit it in your purse, take it on the go with you, and basically use it with both devices, whether it be tablet or smartphone. So the real nice part about this is you just turn it on right here on the side, micro USB to charge, and it's supposed to have a really long battery life. So that's really nice. Plus you can always check the battery life by hitting this key on whatever device you're connected to, which is a really nice feature. Now, one of my other favorite parts about this is it does come with a little stand, which can be used for a smartphone or a tablet. So this is something we're going to test out, and we're going to just see how good this keyboard compares to other keyboards on the market, and just if I think you should buy it for your tablet and smartphone combos. So let's take a look. Alright, so I've had this keyboard for over 2 weeks now, and the very first day I tried it, I typed this out, and let me read it back to you. Okay, let's see how this keyboard types. I feel I could type up something quick instances, but typing for a long period of time might be more annoying. So far this keyboard is pretty good, although I just don't feel as comfortable as I usually would with a normal keyboard. Overall, for a smart keyboard, I could see myself typing long emails on this no problem whatsoever, and it still loads better than a touchscreen keyboard. Playing around with the function key seems to work pretty well, and I'm getting more and more used to this keyboard, and I find myself typing on it much quicker than I was earlier. Okay, so this would be best compared to the Surface keyboard, right? Now this is so much better than the Touch keyboard, even though it's similar to it. It's compact and can work with virtually any Bluetooth device. For this reason, I would have to really recommend this keyboard as one of the best portable keyboards on the market. Now since then, I've tested it out more and more, and I also have given it to different people that are used to mobile keyboards and people that are not used to mobile keyboards but are very fast at normal size keyboards. And what I've learned when seeing different people type on this keyboard is that if you the A always escapes me on this keyboard. That is one thing I will say for me personally, is that if you are used to a 13.3 or 12.2 keyboard, I just kind of missed the whole word there. So if you're used to a 13.3 or 12.2 inch keyboard, then you will be okay. But as you can see, even with this, typing out this sentence to you guys, I did mess up a couple of times, and I'm not as fast as I would be on a full-size keyboard. But the key to this keyboard is the portability and the function controls. I love the fact that you have things like screen capture right on your keyboard, which is just really nice. Just screen capture right now. I love the fact that you can actually check out the battery. Function to lock it and unlock it. And you can check out the battery, which is really nice. You can also hit the home button to be able to look at that as well. You can go right to your email. You can hit the menu button. These are just a lot of nice features to have on a keyboard. So I really have to hand it to Logitech for making a really great versatile keyboard in terms of function keys and working for both, of course, Windows and Android, which I truly appreciate, as those are the two operating systems I use. But I would say that people that I know that type very well on a full-size keyboard had a lot of trouble with this one. They just couldn't get used to it because you do have to kind of curve your hands in for most people. So I would say that it's a great keyboard in terms of portability, compact size, and especially much better than, say, a smartphone keyboard or a touchscreen tablet keyboard, which I still say, if there's one thing I hate is a tablet keyboard, actually. I just have never been able to stand it. I have to have a full keyboard for that. And this does very well to it. Now, how does it compare to other keyboards, such as the Surface one? Well, it's a little bit more compact than the Surface keyboard. However, it's much, much better than the Touch keyboard, which is around the same price point. So for that, it's much better. However, the Type keyboard on the Surface, I would say, might give this a little bit of run for its money because it's a slightly bigger keyboard. For on-the-go, portable, and the fact that it's compatible with all Windows and Android devices, though, you'd be hard-pressed to find a better portable keyboard than this from Logitech. Alright guys, let me know what you think of this keyboard. Do you think you can go with it? It's definitely springy. You feel it. I love, of course, like it has all of the copy, paste features, everything like that built into it. So you have a lot of functionality inside of it, but it just really comes down to what do you need more so. Do you need portability, or would you rather have a full size and sacrifice the portability? Let me know in the comment section down below. This has been RICKY, the Android Guy.